Good morning, students. Today I will discuss about environment and ecology part, specifically the list of national parks of India. It is very important because of for the OPSC, UPSC, SSC, and all competitive examinations. So let's start and discuss. So India boasts 107 national parks, which covers about 1.35% of the country's total land area. Recently, Similpal National Park of Odisha, National Parks in Odisha is notified as the 107th National Parks in India. Okay. Let's move to the next. We'll discuss state and UT wise detailed national parks present in the different state or UTs in Union territories. Okay, so first is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. There are 9 uh, such national parks are there. What are they? Campbell Bay National Park, Galathea Bay National Park, Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park, Middle Button Island National Park, Mount Harriet National Park, North Button Island National Park, Rani Jhansi Marine National Park, Saddle Peak National Park, and South Button Island National Park. So you can also see its location wise also given. These are some of the key species they are found, okay, in these national parks. Then next is Andhra Pradesh. There are 3 national parks present. One is Papikunda National Park, Rajiv Gandhi, or we can say Rameshwaram National Park. Third one is Sri Venkateshwara National Park. Okay. You can also see these are the some of the key species, cheetah, and some of the bird species are there. Next is Arunachal Pradesh. The 2 such national park is present, and it is very important. One is Mauling National Park and Namdapha National Park. These are some of the key species: tiger, some of the squirrel species, and this is a typical bird, pelican bird species. Okay, these are some of the key species there we found. Next is Assam. Assam represents the rhinos species, the home to single horned rhinos. So what are the national parks that present? Let's discuss. One is Dibru Sikwa National Park, Kaziranga National Park, Manas National Park, Nameri, Orang, Raimona, Dihang Patkai National Park, Sikhna Jaula National Park. Okay. So specifically some of the species like rhinos, single horned rhinos, which is most vulnerable and according to the IUCN category. So these specifically they're present in this Kaziranga National Park. Okay. Next is Bihar. Balmiki one national park is present. That is Balmiki National Park. Mostly represent some of the wild buffaloes and tiger species. Okay. Next we come to Chhattisgarh. Three such national park is present. One is Guru Ghasidas National Park. Second one is Indravati National Park and Kangar Valley National Park. It is represents some of the langur species. That is the keystone species we can say. Okay. Next is Goa, that is Mollem National Park. Okay. Next is Gujarat. There are four such national parks present. One is Bansada National Park, Black Bog National Park, Gir National Park, and Marine National Park, or Ran of Kutch. Kutch of Gulf of Kutch National Park. As we know that the Gir National Park is present the Asiatic lion. It is the keystone species in this national park. Okay. Next is Haryana, Kalesar and Sultanpur National Park. Kalesar National Park and two national parks there. One is Kalesar, second one is Sultanpur National Park. Here some of the bird species it represents, like pelican birds. Some of the bird species are there. Okay. Next is Himachal Pradesh. 5 national park is there. One is Great Himalayan National Park, Indar Kila National Park, Khir Ganga National Park, Pin Valley National Park, Simbalwara National Park. Okay, so it represents snow tiger, or that is a very keystone species, and some of the some of these species also represents. Next is Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir, it represents three, and Ladakh is one. So what are they actually? For Jammu and Kashmir, in Daching Dam, Hemis National Park, Khitswara National Park. Okay. Another one is okay. It represents Daching Dam National Park. It represents the Hangul stag, Kashmir stag, Hangul species, or we can say it is Kashmir stag species. So this is the Kashmir stag. It is very highly vulnerable. Okay. Next is Jharkhand. That is Betla. It represents the Betla National Park. Okay. What is Betla? Keystone species is elephant. Then Karnataka. It represents 5 national parks. One is Ansi National Park, Bandipur, Bannerghata, Kudarmukh, and Nagarhole National Parks. Okay. Keystone species is tiger and some deer. Other species like deer are also present. Then we come to Kerala. It is rich in biodiversity. So it represents 6 national park. One is Anamudai Sola National Park, Iravikulam National Park, Mathiketan Sola National Park, Pambadam Sola National Park, Periyar National Park, and Silent Valley National Park. Periyar, it represents the elephant keystone species is elephant. Some of the great hornbill is also present. Then lion-tailed macaw species also found here. You can see how rich its biodiversity. The background picture is also represents. Next is Ladakh, that is Hemis National Park. One, it is the largest national park of India. Okay, snow leopard is the keystone species. It represents snow leopard. Then we come to the Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh represents 11 national park, which is the highest number of national park present in the among the states. Okay, so let's what are they? One is Bandhavgarh National Park, Dinosaur Fossil National Park, uh, Ghughua Fossil National Park, Kanha National Park, Kuno National Park. Specifically in Kuno National Park, Asiatic cheetah was the first time introduced. Madhav National Park, Pana National Park, Pench National Park, Sanjay National Park, Satpura National Park, Ban Bihar National Park. Okay. Some of the species is tiger is the keystone species. Then bus indigo, gaur species, it is a gaur species, nilgai, and striped jackal is also present. Next we come to Maharashtra. There is 6 number of national park. Gogamal National Park, Navgaon National Park, Sanjay Gandhi National Park, Tadoba Andhari National Park, Pench National Park. That is a Pench is the middle point or boundary line. It is present. Some of the part that is present also in the Maharashtra. Okay. Okay. Some of the species like porcupine, deer. Okay, tiger specifically Indian cheetah, so it also represents. Then we come to the Manipur National Park. The two such national park, one is Kebul Lamjao National Park or Loktak Lake, that is present in the Loktak Lake, and Siroi National Park. It is first one is Kebul Lamjao National Park is the only floating national park in the world. Okay. The two such species like leopard and tragopan, some of the species mostly represents. Okay. Next we come to Meghalaya. The two species like two national park is present. One is Bal mm, Balpakram National Park and Nokrek National Park. Meghalaya is Nokrek National Park and Balpakram National Park. One is wild water buffaloes is present and red panda. Panda species also present represents. Then Mizoram Moreland National Park and Phawngpui Blue Mountain National Park. To some of the species like mountain bamboo, patries, sunbird, Mrs. Shumi's pheasant. These are the some of the birds species mostly it represents. Next we come to the Nagaland. There is one national park is present. Inangiki National Park. White-throated kingfisher, golden langur, hulak gibbon. So some of the species that is represents. So beautiful national park, you can see the picture. Next is Odisha. There are two national parks represents. One is Bhitarkanika National Park. It is also a uh, Bhitarkanika National Park, and second one is Similpal National Park. Similpal National Park is also called as, it is one of the biosphere reserve. Okay, so this one is the latest, that is 107th National Park of India. Okay, it represents some of the species like tiger, giant squirrel, sambar. Okay, in Bhitarkanika National Park, it is a mangrove forest. It is a mangrove. It represents mangrove forest. Our keystone species is mainly the salt marsh or salt crocodiles. Okay. Next is Rajasthan. There is a five such national park is present. One is Desert National Park, Keolado Ghana National Park, Mukundra Hill National Park, Ramthabor National Park, Sariksha National Park. But Sariksha Tiger Reserve with the Sariksha National Park. Okay, some of the species like peacock, black buck, long and hedgehog, and great white pelican. Some of the species that also represents. Next is Sikkim. Sikkim is the Kanchenjunga, only one national park is present. One is Kanchenjunga National Park. So it represents some of the key species. One is Bharal, Asian femoral cuckoo, Himalayan monal, and dhole. Dhole species, some of the vulnerable species it also represents. Then we come to the Tamil Nadu. In case of Tamil Nadu, there are five such national parks is present. One is Indira Gandhi Sanctuary and National Park, Annamalai, Gundi National Park, Gulf of Mannar National Park, Mudumalai National Park, Mukurthi National Park. We can see. So these are the Gulf of Mannar or Marine National Park. Dugong is one of the keystone species of this national park. Okay. Apart from that, some of the other species like Nilgai Thar, Indian giant squirrel. It also some of the national park of Tamil Nadu represents. Then Telangana, three national park is present. Sorry, three national park. One is Mahavir Harina Bhanastali National Park, Kasu Brahmananda Reddy National Park, Mrugavani National Park. Okay, Mrugavani National Park. Some of the species we can say present here. Civet is one of the most important species present. Next is Tripura National Park, Bison or Rajbari National Park, Clouded Leopard National Park is also present. Then Uttar Pradesh, there is one national park is present, that is Dudhwa National Park is present. Swamp deer is also one of the uh, species, and tiger species also represents. Then we come to the Uttarakhand. There are six national parks. One is Gangotri National Park, Govind Fasu Vihar National Park, Jim Corbett National Park. This one is the first national park or tiger reserve of the India. Fourth one is Nanda Devi National Park, Rajaji National Park, and Valley of Flower National Park. The photo represents background is the Valley of Flower National Park, and these are the some of the species of other national park of Uttarakhand. Then you come to the West Bengal, Buxa Tiger Reserves or Buxa National Park, you can say. Gorumura National Park, Jaldpara National Park, Neura Valley National Park, Singalia National Park, and Sundarban National Park. Specifically, it represents a swamp environment or mangrove ecosystem. So, specifically Sundarban National Park and some of the other national parks. The photos of some of the other national parks like Nuara Valley, how beautiful you can see. Jalspara National Park is presented. Thank you. Please like, comment, and subscribe for the new videos, and give your comments if you like this video. Thank you.